Hey folks, this is Harvey with Biggshd Harley Davidson, and if we've got a beautiful bike for you, super low miles. This is a 1200X Sportster 48. Take a look at this. Beautiful bike, excellent condition. Customer just never really rode it that much. It's ready to go. And you've got to see it to believe it. It's absolutely beautiful. Here you go. $1,809 $1,809 on the clock. Original miles. Look at how clean it is. This looks like it rolled off the showroom floor yesterday. Come on down and give it a test drive.